Hey everybody, it's Mark again. We're back with some more reported speech, okay? If you haven't learned reported speech before, please go back to the previous video and you can watch the simple present, simple past tense with this grammar. There's a basic version you can use very, very simply, but this version, where we're using something called back shifting, requires a little bit more grammar, so please watch that other video first, okay? But now that you're here, I will show you how we can transform some sentences from a direct spoken sentence into one that we have heard from someone else. Again, that's like a reporter on the news. Reporter. He's like, I love my job. Oh, he said he loved his job, right? I'm listening to his speech and I'm saying it again to a new person. We say reported speech, right? So I have my example. There's woman, she sees my outfit, she loves red, she loves this style of shirt. So she's like, wow, your outfit? I love your outfit. So I hear that, I feel very, very happy. So I tell my wife, one of my students, she told me she loved my outfit. She told me she loved my outfit. I'm very, very happy about that, right? But I cannot say she told me I love your outfit, right? She told me that she loved my outfit. I have to change the grammar a little bit whenever I shift into reported speech. So the first thing I have to do is I have to look for the pronoun. Our pronoun, I, right? I, you, he, she, it. Those are our pronouns. In our first sentence, I actually have two pronouns. I have I, a subject pronoun, and then I have your, right? A possessive. His outfit, her outfit. These are both my pronouns. So I have to change them for reported speech. Here I will change, right? I say, she told me that she loved, my outfit, right? So you see, those two change. Not I, she said, right? She loved. Right? We're changing our pronoun. Not your outfit. She was talking about my outfit, right? So we have to change the pronouns. Then, of course, here she says, I love your outfit. She said this to me a week ago. So does she love my outfit now? I don't know. I'm talking about her feeling last week when she told me. So I have to talk about that past experience. True before, true now, I don't know, right? So she told me that she loved my outfit. I change my present simple into past simple to report something that happened before. Again, true, I don't know. That's our basic sentence. Now we have one more. Someone says to you, I can be here at 2 p.m. next week. We have a meeting, I have a meeting with my boss. I tell him, I can be here at 2 p.m. next week, okay? So like before, we'll start with our pronouns. Start with our pronouns, I, right? I can be here at 2 p.m. next week. Safe, only one, right? So again, we'll do the she said, or Mark, he said, that he, that she, right? We change the pronoun to the correct version, either for a man, for a woman, two people, they, right? Then we look at our grammar, our tenses. Here I have can, right? Can, our present tense, can. I have to change it to the past word, right? Change it to could. I can be here. She said she could be here. Is it here? Look, I changed it from here to there. Sometimes we will change the place as well if the place has changed. If I'm talking about a meeting here at ULC, I can use here again. I can say, she said that she could be here. She said she could be here at 2 p.m. the following week, right? But if it's a different place, right, we often change it to there. When she told me, we were in a different location, right? So we often will change the here to there. She said she'd be there. I'll be here. She said she would be there. Right? That pattern. And then also for, time. If I say next week, maybe this was a month ago, 2 months ago, maybe this was last January. I don't know the time, right? So is it next week? I don't know, right? So we often will also change the time word. Here changes to the following week. Again, next week we think, next week. Not this week, next week. Following week is a reported speech way to say the week after this conversation happened, right? You could say the following day, the following week, the following month. It's very common to use this new phrase when we're trying to say this as reported speech. Okay? And then one more sentence. You must do your homework, right? I tell my students this. I say, you must do your homework. Not I can do my homework, I might do my homework. I tell them, you must do your homework. It's a rule for my class, right? So if I say, you must do your homework, again, I'll take our pronoun. It says you. Oh, now it's, I, right? And then we take our tense, our must. Can we use must in the past? If you remember from maybe 5 videos ago, must doesn't work in the past. In the past, we have to change must to had to. So we're going to change it. Must changes had to. And then do your homework. Oh, I forgot one of the pronouns, right? Do your homework. I have to change do my homework. So I know for you guys, I know those are a lot of changes you have to think about when you're making reported speech. But the more you practice this, the easier it will become. I hope these examples helped. If you can, please make your own example below in the comments. And one of our teachers here would be happy to check the sentence for you. But until next time, this is Mark signing off.